It's Autumn. Today I'm going to show you how I did this half poodle wet set brush out. So if that's something that you would like to see, then you should keep watching. So last night before I went to bed, I put my hair in rollers using the Lotta Body Foaming Mousse. This is a setting lotion, so that's going to really help my curls hold. And then obviously I wrapped it in this little scarf to protect it while I slept. These have probably been in for about 10 hours. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove these rollers. So this is what my hair looks like after I take it out of the rollers. I'm going to go ahead and break up the curls using my fingers. Now I'm going to use my Kenra working wax or any sort of a pomade that you like to use. I'm just rubbing a little bit between my fingers. Please ignore my janky nails, I'm sorry. And I'm just using this to kind of smooth out some of the frizz before I start brushing this out. So I think today I want to do sort of like a half poodle with a brush out in the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part from ear to ear. And for right now, I'm just going to clip this back section out of the way. And I'm going to take this front section, kind of my bang section, and I'm going to pull it forward, and I'm going to pin that in place. Then I'm going to take each side section, add a little more pomade to smooth, and I'm going to brush it up. And I'm not trying to brush through the ends because I want the ends to maintain that kind of strong curl pattern for this. So I'm just brushing where I need to kind of smooth this section up and over. And then pinning that in place as well. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now, using my fingers, I'm just going to kind of reshape some of these curls. Now I'm just going to kind of start loosely pinning this. And I'm just starting to form the type of shape that I'm going to want this to take. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little hairnet. And I'm going to place it around this just to help it kind of hold its shape. And I'm twisting up the excess and tucking it underneath the hair in the back. And then placing a pin just to make sure that doesn't pop out and expose my secret. So now I'm going to deal with the rest of this mop. Ooh, there's some crazy hair just popping out. So now I'm going to go ahead and start brushing the rest of this out. Going in with just a little more pomade. I'm just continuing to brush, seeing what my hair feels like doing. I'm going to go ahead and accessorize, and I'll be right back. So there you have it. This is the half poodle look that I wanted to show you guys today. If you have any requests, let me know in the comments below. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys next week.